This could be your only ticket out of there.
Don't act so scared.
Well, you were born for this, but I'll die for that. We seem so lovely in a car, and if you would talk, I'd listen to every word that you would ever say. Does California feel the same way too? 'Cause if she doesn't, it's pointless to share you. This could be your only ticket out of there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a state so far away from here, in boxes I have stored my fears, and the very second you appear, I will lie to you, my dear. Does California feel the same way too? 'Cause if she doesn't, it's pointless to share you. This could be your only ticket out of there. Don't act so scared. just so I can travel the world with you on the holidays. And the night sky falling is just another sign I should be with you, with you. Outside your door, will you come and let me in? Or leave me outside with the cats and dogs? Darling, I cannot find what you hide inside your mind. Still, I think I will try. Books and Christmas lights that fill your room while Western Europe is sleeping in. And what you read and write about makes little sense to anyone. I am a fool, I should have called. Darling, I cannot find what you hide inside your mind. Still, I think I will try. I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. Darling, I forget the summer that we met. And it was never quite alright. The things you said mean little now. And what you said was broken then. I was a little afraid of what you might say. The birds remind me you're on the other side of the globe. The sunfish, they tell me that it's never too far to travel, never too far to go. The musician and me won't stop till you believe every word that I am saying. You just can't shut it off. And what you say is broken now. Well, I'm a little afraid that you might stay. Slow down. And it's never quite alright. You feel it in your bones. You feel it. Okay. You had to fill my eyes on you from all the way across this room. As you're standing there with your friends, what starts tonight just might never end. So please say you understand. Say you want to feel loved. Well, darling, I have a plan. And it's as if you're leading me straight to the promised land. And a slip of the tongue will send me on my way. And on the run I will find exactly what I've missed all this time. And into your loving arms I'll climb. It's the promises we keep more than the words that we actually speak. Now don't just up and leave your life, 'cause you think I will keep you warm at night. When leaves fall to the ground, yeah, this time of year we discover new sounds. But it's as if you'll never come back to my frozen town. And a slip of the tongue will send me on my way. And on the run I will find exactly what I've missed all this time. And into your loving arms I'll climb. And it's so will find exactly what I've missed all this time. And into your loving arms I'll climb. figure out the scent of magazines will keep you close when you're far from me. I'd cross the bridge to where you're at, but every step I take forward, you take 2 steps back. And the clouds are in a hurry as they pass by my window. And how this will end, no one knows. I'd cross the bridge to where you're at, but every step I take